Dr. Paul, I'm concerned about Mr. Harry's recent decline in health. He's been experiencing increased fatigue, confusion, and loss of appetite. That's concerning, Mihira. Have you noticed any other changes in his behavior or symptoms? Yes, he seems to be losing weight and has difficulty remembering things. He's also been experiencing mood swings and irritability. These symptoms suggest a potential underlying medical condition. We'll need to conduct a thorough evaluation to determine the cause. I've already scheduled an appointment with a specialist. In the meantime, should we consider any interventions to help manage his symptoms? We can try to address his fatigue and loss of appetite by ensuring he's eating a balanced diet and getting enough rest. Mihira, we can also explore the possibility of using supplements to support his overall health. I'll monitor Mr. Harry's condition closely and provide him with any necessary support.
Mihira, I understand this can be a very worrying time, and I want to explain what's happening and what we'll be doing to take the best possible care of you. Given your symptoms, there's a concern that your body might be having a very strong response to an infection, which we call sepsis. Our immediate priority is to act quickly and decisively, which means you'll be hospitalized so we can start treatment right away. This will involve getting intravenous 4 antibiotics directly into your bloodstream to fight any potential infection, along with 4 fluids to support your body, especially as you've been feeling dizzy and unwell. While you're in the hospital, please know that you'll be watched very closely. The medical team will be continuously monitoring your vital signs, like your heart rate, blood pressure, and breathing, to make sure your body is responding well to treatment. We'll also be taking various blood tests and cultures. These are really important as they help us understand exactly what kind of infection might be present and where it might be coming from, so we can target our treatment even more effectively. Our goal through all of these steps is to identify the source of any infection and help your body recover as quickly and safely as possible.